Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and this is Saturday the 10th of October 2020, and this is the weekly analysis for the Euro, Cable and the Aussie dollar for the second week of October. And if we look across all the three majors, they managed to make a last late push on Friday to break out higher, and this was at the expense of the US dollar index. US dollar weakened in the second half of Friday, and let's take a look at the DXY US dollar index here. And this is the daily chart where it had already broke down lower on the Monday, broke below the bullish channel, pull back up to retest the channel trend line, and then resume its bearish breakout and sitting on the 78.6 fib retracement level, which is actually the 21.4 fib retracement of this climb back up and of this swing move down. And if I add another Fibonacci here of this swing low to the swing high of a couple of weeks ago, that has retraced lower past the 38.2 fib retracement and the 50, and it's trying to reach the 62 fib retracement level next week, which I think it's looks like it's going to surpass that and possibly target the 78.6 fib retracement level of this swing move. So there could be a renewed weakness there. So if I just make this consistent and draw this as a retracement fib level, so it did climb up from this swing low to the 50 fib retracement level, and then has fallen back down to the 21 fib retracement. All right. And we can now mark this as a resistance zone. And also probably mark this as a support now at the 78.6 retracement. Okay, and that's close to 93, 92.40 level. All right. Let's go back to the Euro. And the Euro did manage to find support at the start of the week, climb up higher and pull back, and now has broken out higher above the 78.6 retracement of this Fibonacci level. I think for now let's remove this fib level so that we don't get confused. This was the This was the breakout through the resistance. So we can identify this now as a support zone. And it could be trying to target the 62 Fib retracement level at 118.50 area. And perhaps all the way back up to the 50 Fib retracement, where it could come back to retest the lower channel trend line, and that's around the 118.80 level. All right, this coming week there's only news on the economic sentiment for the German zoo and the European zoo as well. Let's take a look at the pound sterling. And on Tuesday, we have the jobs report from the UK. And similarly, for this case, it has bounced off the bearish channel that it broke up from after hitting the 130 level, pull back to retest that and climb back up, and now has broken the 130 resistance zone. So it's on its way to target 131 and perhaps eventually to the 162 Fib extension at 131.60. So we'll see if that can continue for next week. Let's mark this here as support now at the 130. And probably identify the resistance up here, potential resistance up here, 131.60. That'll be our resistance zone. All right. Let's take a look at the Aussie dollar. And for the Aussie dollar, it has actually found support at the 0.7100 level after testing the 72. Managed to bounce, find support from there, and now has broken above the 0.72. It could try to retest the channel trend line. If the US dollar is still weak, it could climb all the way back up to the 138 Fib extension, the 73.28. We'll see how the US dollar index performs. And likewise, This zone now is going to be support. And I'll mark this one here as a resistance zone. All right, let me clear this. We can also add a Fibonacci of this swing move. From this move down to this swing low, and there is confluence here at the 78.6, and it has just crossed the 50% retracement level. Try and climb up to 62 and then the 78.6, so that could be confluence here. All right, let's take this out for now. So on Thursday, there is the Australian jobs report to watch out for. All right, so in the meantime, the US dollar has weakened. The markets now are in a risk on mode. So it's short-term bullish for the majors. And we'll see what the new weekly pivots are for next week, and to see whether there's confluences at some of these target zones, resistance zones. All right. So stay safe next week and have a good trading week. And cheers for now.